Boys, hello. Hello. I'm still finishing some quick setup. 1 second. 1 second. Bum 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 bum. Hello. Ah no 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 no. Hello now. Ah yes. Hello now, people. Now, wait. Let me lower the music. We still have the same issue of yesterday. For the avatar, we have the same issue of yesterday. The problem is that the body motion is still on, so I didn't buy the subscription yet, so it's going to be a bit annoying, but probably I'm gonna buy it. I'm still speaking a bit with the developers to understand what they think about it. It's done already. Somebody's up. Hello Marcelo, hello Hula. So I spoke a bit with some of the developers. They were very kind to answer and to anyway, you know. If you want to see the result, wait. He's online now. The developer is online now. We have to catch him. Wait. Advanced tracking configuration. Wait. No, wait. I cannot do it like this. Advanced tracking configuration. No, advanced configuration. Whatever I click. I mean, if you can see me live, I don't know if you are live, Dragos. I mean, if you are here with me, hello. Maybe you are. If you are, say hello. If you see the stream, I can show you. Maybe we'll join. I don't know. So basically, the problem is that if I click on anything on this list, as soon as I click, it's asking me, you know, to activate the plus feature. I think someone is joining. if he's joining, it would be very nice to have an anime's official staff person in the stream. That would be very cool. But anyway, yeah. So the problem, as you can see, is the body. So usually what I would do, I would click on body and I would just disable the body, and that is the only setting that I need. At the moment I'm standing perfectly still on my chair, but considering that the head is moving slightly, I mean I'm also not moving the head at the moment, by the way, I'm just moving my mouth, but the character is taking some input, right? And the body is moving a bit. Now, as soon as I move my body slightly, like this, I moved it very slightly, the character starts to move, and now I'm moving it a bit more, obviously. Like if I move up on the chair, or if I, you know, whatever I do, it starts to be, yeah, and then it goes a bit crazy if it's too much movement, right? So which means that, yes, we have the advantage that I can look left and right. I can look cute like that. I can look cute like that because I can move a bit more my body, but the result, I think, for whoever is watching is, you know, a continuous movement of the body, which is kind of annoying. I mean, the character is never standing still, and also, yeah, as you can see, he has all these bumps, you know, it's bumping continuously. While with the previous setting, the body was standing still, and Yeah, during the animations, the body stands still because is using the animation to do the stuff, right? Yeah, so during the animation you see that the spine, but as soon as it goes out of the animation and I move slightly, like when I look to the other side of the screen, or you know, yeah, mainly when I look to the right. Now I'm only looking to the right. I'm just rotating slightly my head to the right, okay? And as soon as I reach like a 30-degree, the character goes crazy. I mean, it's usable. I'm not saying it's not usable. I mean, it is usable, but definitely is a completely different experience compared to 2 days ago, where the character was standing still, right? And so I had a better. Do other 3D avatars do the same for you? Maybe something about the avatar itself that has a bug. When I hit the revert, it is reset to default. It seems to default calling too often on my machine. Maybe it's not the enhanced body movement for 3D, but it is something else happening. I think best summarize it in an email and send it to support. Okay, I can do that. Unfortunately, all of those settings I cannot click. At least, I think I cannot click. Where did you click it? On enhanced body movement. I think all of that I cannot really access, really. Because it's all, you know... I think it's all inside advanced tracking configuration. So anyway, I mean, it's usable. It's usable, but is bumpy. Is very bumpy. These are setting in settings. These are setting in settings. Wait a second, because I just don't want my real webcam to pop up. Usually when I go down here, yes, exactly, it just popped up now. FPS, render scale, full quality, avatar render scale, audio, language, control, mouse sensitivity, camera animation. I don't... redeem code, login, subscription, notification, contact support, remove watermark, stream active, export video, advanced configuration. No, I don't see that. Overrides. Whatever I click under advanced, I found it under select trackers. Overrides. No, override I cannot do it. Override is blocked for me. So if I click on overrides, I can show you now. He asked me the Animaze Plus, but if I click on select trackers, it's actually doing something. And I see this revert that you mentioned, which I don't know. Save or revert. But revert is only for the trackers. Should I click on revert? Yeah, unfortunately override is blocked. So basically everything is blocked. Audio based lip sync. For example, this one is very advanced stuff, I guess. But I have it available. You see? Audio based lip sync with my version is available. Now, I am a face rig customer, let's say. So I bought the original face rig. I don't know if this makes any difference, but you see, I can enable this, which I don't even know what is it. But I can enable lip motion. I can enable lip sync, advanced lip sync. I mean, I can enable kind of pretty cool stuff. But I cannot go to overrides, and I cannot go to anything inside of this. So anything inside of this will ask me the subscription. By the way, I can do, but it was, I mean, it was just, I mean, I can subscribe, but it's just to say that it was working 2 days ago. So that's the only point. Okay. Okay, boys, so sorry for the interruption, and thank you a lot anyway, Animes, for being so responsive and checking, you know, this thing and really answering to my questions. Moreover, that I'm not even a paying customer at the moment, so I really appreciated that. What happens with the face tracker? I cannot show the face tracker because I never show my face on stream, but I can check it separately. If I go to face video graphics, I mean the face tracker is perfect. I mean the face tracker, the one with the white dots, is perfect. So it's showing very nice all the dots around my face. Even when I rotate, is showing the side of my face perfectly. And the body is not tracked. At least I don't see the body tracked in the face cam. I don't see any dots. I never seen any dots if I move forward or backward in the face cam. I can send you a picture if you want, but I don't know if the body is there. By the way, yeah, maybe I will send it to support and see what they say. But tonight I have to do some work, so I need to move on because I have a deadline. We have a deadline for tomorrow to submit the footage of the game, or the game that we are building, you know, to Epic Games, and we need to submit it as soon as possible, right? Now, what we're gonna do, we released the new version today, and I hope some of you guys downloaded it. I don't know how many people are connected. I see about 10 people. Maybe more people will join, but yes, if you can download the new version of Plane Shift, and not of Animes, but of Plane Shift, and if you can run it, I would like to take some video capture of the game and package it and send it out. Now, I think if we can have some players in, would be nicer, right? Because I can also run it without any player, but I think without any player will not look as nice. So if some of you could join, I know that it's just been released today and it's like 5 giga to download. I know. So maybe, you know, you didn't do it yet, but maybe we can also do something tomorrow, right? Tomorrow late afternoon my time. But okay, so let me load. So the last version is 0713. It's available to all the veteran players, so all the people that played our previous games, and to the Patreons, right? Now, I don't know how the game will react to... Maybe let me close some other stuff that we don't really need at the moment. I don't know how the game will react to run plus stream plus record on I will. Just a second. Thanks for your help. About the movement, I'm pretty sure the body is a big part of it. I stream basically every day 4 hours, 3 hours, and I know these movements by heart now. Yeah, so yeah, the point, I don't know if you're still listening, probably not, because I guess you have something else to do, but the point is that I'm streaming basically every day a number of hours since, I don't know, a year, I mean years, and with anime since it's been released, and before with Face Drake. So I know these movements on this character very well because I see myself most of the time. And really 2 days ago something changed. With the new release it completely changed, and the body started to move and shake up and down, and I think that by just disabling the body movement, it would fix it. At least it would fix it up to the point that it was 2 days ago, right? Okay, so let's connect to the game. I don't know what I want. I think that would be nice, but then I can do it by myself to have the character creation screen. Maybe we should do a bit of a storyboard for this, right? Because I need to... let's do a bit of a quick storyboard for this thing. Let's start from a new... Let's start from a new new thing, and let's call it storyboard for epic games, right? I think what I would like to do... Sorry, I'm not reading much of the chat, but you are not speaking. So, it could be something like in the tracking setting file, editing those settings and pulling a default back. Yeah. That would be a very good idea. Yes, I was planning to do that. I was actually planning to do that. I searched. Just a second, guys, because since we have him available. I searched up data, but didn't find any face rig or animes directory to delete or tweak permanent ini files. Okay, so I think that would be nice if I can send them, you know, also a bit of the character creation, but not the whole character creation because it's very boring, but maybe just the universe view. I think it would be nice to have, you know, the universe view, which is this. And here the story begins. Someone special was born, far away from where his mission would be accomplished. I think just this piece, I think could be the opening, you know? I think it would be very nice to have this as the opening. I know the graphics are not super cool, but I think it may be nice. If you have other ideas, guys, let me know, because I'm creating it from scratch. So I think we can start with the universe view. I can have a background music, some of our music. I can have my speech, exactly that one. Maybe I can speed it up a bit. Maybe I can redo it, just speed it up a bit because it's actually a bit slow. I mean, if it's a kind of a trailer, you know. And maybe we can quickly transition. I think it would be nice to quickly transition into some picture of characters. Now, these characters are not great, I know. But maybe the idea could be that after the universe view, I just take, you know, one solution would be to take all the characters and put them like in a display, right? That could be a good idea. So if I launch the editor, actually, let me switch screens, by the way, because I'm still big, I guess. Yeah, let me put myself in a small place. I think the idea is, if we could have a display of all the characters, I think it would be very nice, considering his character creation, right? And maybe I can say something on top of that, like, or I can just redo the first speech and just say it differently. Instead of someone special was born very far away from where his mission would be accomplished. Instead of that, maybe I can say shift through planes, something like that. Depends how clickbait we want to make it. Depends on how. Hello, Tadeus. No, the 7.13 is a full version, is a full new version that you can download, from scratch. So the reason is that there were too many changes, you know, and the previous two patches were already One was 2 GB and the other was 1 GB. So the download of the patches started to become too heavy. And also we have a new someone is typing something to me, a new launcher, I mean an enhanced launcher. And also I split differently the pack file. So what you will see is that now in the game we have where is it, one of these millions directories. Okay, see, you will see now that the pack files, none of the pack files is greater than 2 GB, right? And we did it because otherwise, I mean, in some cases, people were having issue. The download link is not yet on Patreon, I'm sorry, but I can give it to you. I can put it on Patreon right now, just quickly if you want, or if you are on Discord. Are you on Discord? I can send it to you on Discord. But I think it would be a good idea to put it on Patreon. I just didn't have the physical time to do it, because to do it on Patreon, usually I try to do it properly, so like posting some pictures and small introduction and text, but I really didn't have the time. I didn't have the physical time to do it. Are you only on Patreon or you're also on Discord? Those settings are stored in files. That's a good information. That's good info. I will try that after the stream or during, depending on the time available. Yeah, maybe I can multitask a bit and I can also search those files. Thaddeus, are you also on Discord or not? Because if you're on Discord, I can just send you the link. If not, I can post on Patreon. The problem is that you guys are always using different nicknames, between Discord, YouTube, Twitch, Patreon, and emails and in-game characters. So it's so hard for me to remember your names. I have to remember for each person like 6 names, and that's so tough. There was a previous promotional video. Yeah, but I think we should redo it, really. Yeah, about the transitions, I was thinking maybe to have something like this, to show that we also changed some of the models or improved some of the models. I think that could be an idea. But I was thinking, what if we put in a level, well, not even in a level, maybe just in an empty space, right? What if we put all our characters and we take a kind of a screenshot of all of them? I don't know if it's a good idea or not. The problem is that they need to move, though. Yes, they need to move. Yeah, we don't want them to be. We don't want them to be standing still. Unfortunately, if I'm in the editor, they will be standing still unless, and also they will not have the right lights and all of that. They will be standing still unless I go in the blueprint mode or in the animation mode. How do I do that? Or I place a number of NPC in the game just temporarily. That could also be an option. You need to exit Animaze, delete the files, pull a fresh version from Steam, restart Animaze. Wow. You need to exit Animaze, delete the files. I can search if I can find the files, but first, Animaze data. Steam library. The problem is that I have a million Steam libraries, but one for every drive, so we will have to search which one is where. But maybe we are lucky and it's here. No, it's not here. So animates is not on D. On E is impossible. On no, I will have to do it offline because it is taking too much time to find out. Unless it's on C, but I don't think I do. I have one on C. Maybe it's here. Maybe it's here. Wait. Maybe it's here. No, it's not. I don't know why. Okay, I need to say, is it probably in another Steam library? Because I had split my Steam libraries in different places just for the sake of. Okay, but I need to move on with this intro. Otherwise, we will not will be able to produce it by tomorrow. You can switch between the two previous branch and live branch on anime Steam, and you see behavior. Okay. Can do that as well. Yeah, the problem is the time, but I will try to do it. So, or we, you know, I don't know if we can mix the video. Like if I take this character, because in theory, if now I'm not in the, because now I'm not.
The Enkitakai are from the home world.
Because now I'm not, because yeah, but it will be better if they are with cloths on. No, I think the best display of character probably is inside a game. I don't think that, because here, you know, they are naked. They don't have any equipment. They don't have anything. And by the way, there's not a way to go back from this. Interesting. Okay. I didn't realize that it's impossible to go back from. It's impossible to go back from the character creation. Okay. We will have to fix that somehow. One day we will fix everything, boys. No, I think we can do it in game. But I think it would be nice to have a display of characters, you know, just to ensure that, you know, we get the message that we have a number of characters. I was thinking the character load, rotate them. That's also a good idea. By the way, the Gorwell is in. This monster is in game now. That's also a good idea. So I can probably create, you know, different characters, put them in my thing, and equip them, and at least they will move a bit. I mean, they will breath, and then we. But you know, I would prefer to have, you know, some of you guys around me, and I don't know. I'm not sure what I want to do. I'm not sure if I want to be in a scenario, you know, like a random area like this, or if we want to be in a nice place, because actually this place is probably not the best place, but if we want to be in an area that is a bit populated, right? Yeah, this place is unfortunately still to be developed a bit. So maybe on a lake, or because I was thinking to have the background of the universe still. I mean, I can build a scene. I can build a scene with all the characters if I want. I can do it. If I build a scene, but they will not be equipped. They will not be equipped. Now, the problem is that they don't have a green screen, right? They don't have a background which is transparent, and then I can kind of mix. That's the issue. I don't really know how to do it, boys. Because I could do another trick. So if I go, look at this. If I go in this blueprint, right? She is moving. She doesn't have the best light, maybe, but she's moving. I can change anything I want of the equipment, because actually I can. It's a bit annoying to do, but I can. Now the problem is which kind of background we want, because I mean, if I could use a green screen, but I don't know if I can do it. Also, I don't know if I can remove all this stupid stuff like the capsule, right? Like the arrows, like the grid. Probably we can, but show grid was already off, by the way. Show floor. Is there a better way to do this? Is there a better way to do this? Is there a better way to do this? I mean, in theory, I could change the startup map to be this map. No, I think the display of all the characters is too complex for me to do. I mean, it's too complex for me to do in a short time, right? Because we have just few hours. It's too complex for me to do in a short time. I mean, yes, I can put them like this, but I think it will look weird. Because I mean, I could play this level. And try to have a light or multiple lights which are actually looking decent. And I can put some fake vegetation on the back, some trees and some stuff. So we can basically build a demo level with all the characters in it. And I could equip them, right? I could equip them as I want, because if I go on this one and I change, no, I will have to create a separate blueprint, right? Because the skeletal mesh, let me see if this works. 1 second. If I do Claymore, and I select the Claymore item, no, it's not working. It's not keeping the, why don't press G? I can press G here, but I cannot press G here, right? I press G, I mean G. I mean, I want the character to be animated, so here I cannot press it. I mean, I'm pressing it, but it doesn't remove the stuff. It does it only when you are inside a level, for whatever reason, right? It does. So, is it easier for us to build a level where we load, or it is easier for me? You know what? I think I have a solution. I think I have an easy solution. The easy solution is the following. I take a number of characters. Yeah, I think I have an, well, it's not easy, but I think it's probably giving me the best result. But then I will have to load in with multiple clients though. Oh, fuck, no. No, I need you guys to be in the game. That's the only solution. Ah, here you are. Hi. Do you want the Linux or Windows? Linux or Windows? Random NPC, yes. We can also do that. We can load in production and go random NPC. And but they will be all in different locations. So I don't know, I can teleport to this NPC, you know, and they will have all different backgrounds, right? And some of them maybe will not have a good light. Like, for example, now this guy... Why am I... Okay. For example, this guy is not in a very nice position in terms of light. Also, the helm is going a bit through his head, which is not very nice. So probably is not the best guy to pick. But yeah, but this one, for example, would be a you know, a decent one, right? Now, in production, I don't think I can. So the question, I mean, I can, because yes, I can go to this guy, I can go to that guy, I can go to this guy, and I can take different, you know. The problem is that they will all have a different background, and I think it will look a bit weird. Or I can teleport them. Actually, I can teleport them. The problem is that if I teleport them, I don't remember if their position is getting saved or not in the database. And that could be an issue, because meaning that I fuck up the database completely, but I can re-import it. Yeah, maybe I can do that. I can take a number of characters and put them all in the same play. Yeah. There is a solution, boys. There is a solution. There is a solution. There is a solution. We just need to choose the place, and then I teleport these guys where we want. I don't know if I can rotate them, but so for example, let's do it. I can reinitialize the database. I can reinitialize the DB. It's no problem. So if I take this guy, for example, and I teleport him here, right? Teleport target me. Fuck. Invalid destination. Why teleport target me didn't work? Okay, let's try teleport reload me. Okay, it worked. I don't know if I'm changing his position permanently, but anyway, I have him there. So I could decide, you know, to take a number of guys. So I can take Ironquest, I can take whoever I want, right? You see? And they're all coming here. So we could have a kind of a display. Now, this background is probably not the best background. I think a better background will be maybe in the city. Upscale the texture for the trailer. What do you mean? Our textures are this one, so we cannot have better textures, really. I mean, I can go in my settings. That's probably what you mean, but I can go in my setting and check if yes, I need to be on epic on everything. Yes, that's a good point. If you meant that, yes, I need to be on epic on everything. So which is the best place? Which is a place where we want to display these people? Is it the... I can also do it... I can also do it in the... Oh yes, I can also do it with the universe view, because I can teleport there. I think. I mean, I'm not sure, but I think I can. Because the universe view actually is a physical location. Believe it or not. This can be a solution, eh? This can be a solution. This can be a good solution, boys. So I do it in game. I do it in game by teleporting to... The only problem is if he's already busy with other stuff, but... no, not this. No, not this, not this, not this. Yes, kind of. Why we don't see... Wait, we have a problem here. Why... Why the level is not loaded? Persistent level, podium. Yeah, but podium is only podium, right? Ah no, podium is also the character creation. Holy fuck, I didn't realize that. Okay. Strange though, because podium should not include these pieces. Okay. So we have a bit of a problem, but it's fine. That's another problem. So I can, in theory, I can teleport them, you know. I can teleport myself here. Because here is a position, here is a physical place in the world. So if I teleport myself, look at this. Teleport me here. No. Teleport me map. Okay. So here we are where the universe view is, right? And the only problem is that there is no ground, but I think we can solve the ground. Yes and no. Because I think if I teleport an NPC here, it will not have something to stand on. Ah! What happened? The server crashed? I think the server crashed. Fuck. It may be crashed because I was in that location, Maybe it crashed because I was in an impossible position. Or not. But yes, it crashed. But I can do it on my machine, It's the same. I think I would prefer to do it in the other machine so that I'm using a different machine for Linux. Okay, Linux. Yeah, consider that the Linux is not really stable. I mean, we still have this crash, you know. So okay, the server is restarting. Let's see if it's my position which is messing up with the server or if it's something else. Okay, because if it's my position, I think we may have an issue here. I think we may have the Windows 2. Okay, let me just see when the server is up, and we will try again to connect. Please fix the errors in the server console. Which ones? I mean, like this stuff. I don't know what this is. Something new. There is something new. I think it's related to sounds. It's complaining about some birds in tree number 6. Birds in tree number 6. I don't know. I will have to check. I think it's something new for the sound that I added, I think. But consider that, you know, we are really loading a lot of stuff, boys. I mean, it's not like your typical project where you have one level, 3 characters, you know. So we are loading 1,500 NPC, millions of items, and you know, 90 maps. So with a lot of stuff in it. So if there are some errors, I mean, it's perfectly fine. It's perfectly fine. I mean, I'm already happy that it's actually working. Okay, let me try to go there where I was again and see if the server crash. I'm keeping an eye on the server position. By the way, you see that the server started and the NPC are back to their position. So yes, the teleport is not messing up with the position on the thing, but I fear that if I teleport there, I will mess up because I think it will crash again. Fuck. It will crash again, probably with a stupid error, but it will crash again. I think he's probably not finding a sector in this area, so basically I'm not in any position. Yeah, exactly. It crashed already. Let me see what is the crash. Cannot find sector, receive ambience check, fatal error. Well, maybe we can fix it though. Maybe we can fix it. It's something related to ambience. This is the error. So player controller based receive ambience check. Player controller based gen 1035. UPS sector check trigger. Sector info 151. I think we have a PS sector info 151. Wait a second. But yes, it for sure is the fact that we are not in a sector. But still, it should not crash. It should not crash the server at least. Controller. Do we check? We need to check for ambient sound. Controller receive ambience checks. Sector. Yeah, I think it's probably this one. Probably is. Yeah. It is the mistake. Because sector need to exist. If sector doesn't exist, get player sector. You know what? I think if we don't have a controller or if we don't have a sector, we should just exit from this function because no, because I need to push again this at least. Yes. So if we are not in a sector, okay, we need to do this. We need to do if sector. Otherwise, ensure the sector is valid. It may look a bit stupid to do it here because you may say, oh, just do it at the beginning. But no, we cannot do it at the beginning because if you do it at the beginning, this thing will not increment anymore, this check will not work anymore, and this next schedule will not work anymore either. In fact, you see here that we have already a sector or -1. So I need to do this. Okay. There is a good fix, It's a good fix anyway. If it works, but I think it will. Is anyway a good fix. So we're gonna do this. And it's only server side, so we don't need to re-release any client, luckily. So fix for null sector. So we check this in. We go back in our PS Unreal, right? And we go back in our PS Unreal. Wait, I can show you this. We go back in our PS Unreal and we just do an SVN update. Well, actually, to be sure we are not messing up too much, let's do an SVN update only on sources anyway. Okay, and then we are going to recompile it. But I think that's a good solution. The only problem I have is that I think that an NPC will fall down. Fuck, that was the perfect solution. How can I avoid them to fall down? I cannot avoid it. Unfortunately, I cannot avoid it. And also, I don't know if there will be the right light. But anyway, let's rebuild it this way. Fantastic. Fantastic. Sorry if I don't remember all the names. Sorry if I don't remember all the names. The Windows easier. Okay, so it's recompiling. It will take very short time. It's not going to take much actually. It's not going to take much because anyway, my character is completely crazy. I mean, the avatar, the guy there on the bottom left, whenever I move is going super crazy. Is really the body change that is making it crazy. Yeah. As soon as I move a bit, is stacking his chin up, is doing so weird stuff, really. It's a pity. I can try to change avatar. Should we change avatar 1 second? Let me change avatar and see if another avatar is still doing the same issue. I think it will not. I think some certain avatars are working better than others. I think certain avatars are working better than others. Wait a second. Wow. Yeah, I think it's better. I will be this guy, okay? I will be this guy for a bit. I will be this meow 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 guy. Meow. Yeah, you see that he's bumping less. I think we have an issue with the spine of the other character, by the way. He's bumping less. Now, do I have pose or no? I can do this. Ah, so nice. I want to do it again. I can do this. Look. I can do this. Can I do anything else? No. I can only do this. Okay, sorry. He rebuilt properly, He rebuilt property, so I think we are already in screen. Ah no, the thing was running. So we can stop it. We can stop it. And we can start it again. Now with the fix, I think we can go in that place. Do you like my new face? Yes, they did. They did, one learner. Also, they are active on Discord, so I contacted them on Discord, and they also checked the stream a few minutes ago. So there was a guy that was looking at the stream, and he suggested a few things to do, but I cannot do it now during the stream because it's too complex. I need to basically edit some files, restart animes. I mean, do a lot of. I mean, I need to dedicate, I don't know, half an hour or 1 hour to that. But I cannot do it now. I really cannot do it now. Yeah, the problem is that we will fall down here. You know, we will fall down and we will hit this. So maybe if we can find a good angle, right? If we can find a good angle, but I fear we will not find a good angle. So, or we put a kind of a stand here at the bottom. The problem is that I need to change the client, and it's very annoying. It's very annoying to change the client at this point. It's very annoying. I mean, I can do it with my client. The problem of my client is that he has a lot of debug information, and so there will be stuff on screen pretty much all the time. And this is not really something that we want. Hello, Hula. I became a smaller cat. I don't know what happened. It was a spell. It was a spell of some wizard that came to me, and look at him, how I am now. Look. Can I open my mouth? No, I cannot. Why? He doesn't open his mouth? Why this character doesn't open his mouth? It's very strange. I'm a smaller cat. Hello, Hula. I'm a smaller cat now. I don't know what happened. I was a lion. I was a lion. And now I'm this. Why? Why? I'm so sad. Can I look down? Yeah. I'm so sad. I'm a small cat now. Okay, the server is starting. Server is starting. It's streaming levels now. That was a good idea. It was a beautiful idea. The problem is that I don't have a pedestal or something, a floor to sustain the character. Because in theory, I could just teleport the character there, you know, take a screen, capture a piece of video, then do it again and again and again and again and again, right? And I think we'll be perfectly fine. Now, if they could also emote, but yes, I can also emote, because if I impersonate emote, I think I can, right? Can you impersonate emote on some of our NPC? I think we can. Okay, so if I did the fix right, now if I'm going to these coordinates, it should not crash anymore. Now if it's still crashing, I mean, I hope not, but let's see. Please don't crash. Please, 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 please. Please don't crash. Okay, it didn't crash. Nice, so the fix is good. Now, the fix is good. The problem is, by the way, this is where your pet is displayed, right? This is the display of your pet in the pet window. So when you open the pet window, actually, this picture is coming from that place, right? So the 3D capture is capturing that guy in that place. Now, the question is, well, maybe... here we have a background. Here we have a background. So maybe... Let me try to teleport reload me. Fuck, the rotation is not correct though. Can I rotate him or not? In theory, it should have taken my rotation. But it seems it didn't. Fuck. Yeah, it's taking my rotation. So if I put myself in the right rotation... Okay. So we have this. We have this, which is anyway something. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. Now, I mean, I don't love it because it doesn't have the background, but maybe I can do this. Wait, maybe I can do set me gravity off, slide me down, because if I slide him up, I think he will fall down. Let me try. Slide target up to... Invalid sector cannot slide. Are you serious? Okay. Slide me up. Slide me up 5. Invalid sector cannot slide. Fuck. No! Okay, let me try another thing. Let me try teleport. I teleport pretty much where we are, but above, okay? 5228. Yeah, I can also add a sector to this area, but it starts to be a bit too complex. Minus 843. So let's do 20. No. Let's do 60. Okay. So me, I'm not falling, right? In this position because I disabled the gravity on me. But I think if I teleport him to me, yeah, he will fall down. Motherfucker. He will fall down, boys. He will fall down. Because the gravity for him is enabled. Can I disable the gravity for him? No, I cannot. I cannot disable the gravity for him. Okay, do we have another solution? No, I don't have another solution. I think we have to do it like this, boys. There is no other chance. So I will teleport him here. Now what I can do, I can disable the gravity on me. By the way, let me remove the helm, so I have a better and easier camera. Come on. I can set me gravity off. I can teleport me down instead of up, and maybe we have a better view. Set me gravity off. Yeah, the problem is that this work will take so much to do all the pieces, you know? Because I will have to... I mean, if I have to do it for one character, it's okay, but if I have to do it for many characters, it will take me so much. It will take me so much time. But let me try anyway, just to see how much time it takes. Minus 843, 414, 165. Let's say minus 904. No, I have to be careful because if he is more than 1 meter, I cannot because I'm colliding with it. Fuck. No, the best that we can do. The best that we can do, unfortunately, is this. There is nothing better than this. I cannot do anything better than this. I cannot. There is the best I can do. So I can teleport the character there, and I can teleport the character here, and I can capture the screen like this. I hear a lot of wind. Yes, the game, yes. I don't know why there is wind here. I have no idea. Now the problem is that we have this thing, but we have the bar. Can I hide it? No, I cannot. Fuck. I cannot hide this bar. Maybe I can then take only the middle of the video. I mean, I can take only the middle, or I can take only a piece and resample it. Maybe. Okay, let's try. Let's try to take. So to record, I need to. Can you? No, unfortunately not, because I'm on the release client. So the only thing I can do, I can crouch like I did, so the camera goes down. Or maybe I can sit on the ground. But no, when I'm sitting on the ground, the camera is not changing. So the only way, which is by the way a mistake, but it's fine. The best we can do is to crouch and look like this. I think it's okay. I think it's okay. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, okay? It doesn't have to be perfect. I just want a quick transition. So this will be like half a second, okay? Half a second or less. So we will just have like a boom, 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 boom. Like one character after the other, right? So character, just to show the fact that we have... can you add a key binding for disabling key debug? No, debug in release client is not available. I mean, you don't have the console and you don't have any of the capability of the debug, right? Because we don't want people to cheat. Now, they will cheat anyway, but let's say that it's making their life a bit harder to cheat, okay? Okay, let me try to record this. Maybe I should remove... by the way, I should remove everything. Oh, crap. Otherwise, it will record also the chat and the and the mega grant and the donations and the Patreon and my cam and the Winamp. Oh my god, I have to remove everything. And the other box and the follow and the chat. Okay, I removed everything. I removed everything. So if I go and do a record now, and I do record now, if I speak, but the audio track I will change it, so the audio track is not a problem, so I can even speak on top of it. There's no difference. Okay, I recorded it. Now let's see what he recorded. In theory, he's placing this stuff under videos, I think. 1045, yes. Then I will have to mix it, you know. I will have to mount it, but to video edit it. Yeah, but I think it's good. The quality is not super high, but I think it's fine. So imagine having, you know, very quickly. I mean, the problem is that it's not centered. The people will ask, why the hell you show me the character so small instead of showing it to me, you know, full screen? Yeah, that's a good point, actually. That's a good point. The problem is that I can go closer to him, but if I go closer to him, then I lose a bit of the effect. Yeah, but I think it's better if I go closer, eh? Even if our characters don't really shine when they are close. Look, I mean, when you look at them close by, but anyway. Yeah, probably it's better if I record it this way. And I just need like half a second, you know? I don't really need a lot. I need half a second of that. Hello? VLC, hello? Yes, I think it's better. Unfortunately, it's cut off here in the middle, but there's not much I can do about that cut off. Why is also cut off on the left? That is kind of strange. Ah, no, it's the video format. Okay, it's the video format. Now, is there a chance that we can have him do something like wave? How do I impersonate an emote? Can we impersonate emotes? Impersonate. I think I remember we could do it. No, impersonate animation. But this is not gonna work for sure. Impersonate anim. I can try, but I think this I never ported this command. But let me try. Holy fuck! It's doing something. But it did that. Why did that? He's only doing this. He's only doing this. It kind of works, but yeah, it's probably better if we don't. That animation was showing so bad. He's always doing this for most of them. Okay, I will not do, it's too complex, okay? I will not do it. I will not do it. We will keep our characters still for now. Let's not overdo it, because if we overdo it, we will never finish it, okay? So we are gonna take this. Unfortunately, I cannot remove this menu. I cannot remove this. Was there a command to remove the menu? Because we have a window. We have the window command that we can, but can I try window menu hide? No. Menu bar hide. Ah! I did it. The problem is that now I will never be able to come here again if I hide the chat. Right? Because I cannot click on chat anymore. So yes, I can hide it, but window menu bar show. Why you didn't do it in editor? Hey, in editor is a mess because I don't have all the traits, I don't have all the weapons, I don't have all the car. I mean, it's a mess. I tried at the beginning to do it in the editor, but I can actually hide the menu. Ah, you can teleport him forward. Yeah, that's a very good idea. That's a very good idea. So if I teleport him here, I will have more background, right? Teleport, reload me. Okay. Yeah, that's a good idea. So we can have more, but the problem is that no, because no, it's the opposite. Because the closer it is, the more I have the screen next to him, right? Unless I could go down myself, but I cannot go down. I cannot move I cannot control the camera. Because if I had a camera like on the bottom, then yes. No, but it's okay. It's okay. I mean, even if he's here, I think it's fine. Now the problem is how to hide the menu and at the same time keep the chat alive, because you know, if I close the chat, but I remember there was a C to hide the chat or show the chat. I mean, inventory works for sure. I can show the inventory, but I cannot show the chat. There's no C. Fuck. There was not a key to show the chat. I can show every single freaking screen, but not the chat. Fuck. Really? I can show everything and anything, but not the chat. And so I cannot hide the menu. Fuck. Ah, wait, but I can wait. The shortcuts. Can I show the shortcut window? Please. No, only the group. Fuck. Only the group window. We cannot remove it. We cannot remove it, boys. We cannot. We cannot remove it. So, or we keep the chat, or we keep the bar. No, that is so unfortunate. Or we keep this freaking bar. Because the chat is this, but it's not associated to a key. I remember it was C, but it's not doing it. We have the group window, but who cares about the group window, really? I'm trying to press every possible key, but... Ah, the shortcut we have. Solutions. Solutions. With the shortcut we can do it. We can customize the shortcuts. And we can say that this one is hide menu bar. Our system. Look at the power. Look at the power. Window menu bar hide. What? He said it already, yeah? So I can do this, and then I can do another one, which is show chat. Show chat. Window chat show. Why didn't do it? Okay. So now I can... Wait. I can do this. And I can do this. And... Now, but I also need show menu bar, though. I need show menu bar. Window menu bar show. Show with a W if you can. Why is not changing? I don't know, it's not really changing when I want it to change. Right, it's okay. So show menu bar, hide menu bar, right? So now, since I can do this, I can hide the menu bar. No, I can show the menu bar, hide the chat, hide the menu bar, hide this thing, and now I'm fully without anything. Look at that. And I have a recovery plan, which is this. Which is a good recovery plan, huh? Very nice. How good is this system, huh? How good is it? Okay. The only problem is that when I alt-tab, my character is... My character is changing his position, which is very annoying. Because he's taking the alt as... But I can do this. I can do this and it will work. Okay, so let me try to record again. So we record this guy. Boom, done. Okay, this one I think is the final take, huh? This one is the... Well, can you tell me some names of NPC that you think are good to be shown? Some nice NPC in plane shift that you like? Okay, I think it's fine. I think it's fine. We have this blue thingy. There is a bit of a line here, which is a bit annoying, but it's okay. I mean, I don't really care, actually. You know what is the problem? Is that if I don't keep my camera fixed, this thing will move, and it will look like... It will look kind of bad. Fuck. Because in the next recording, my camera will be slightly moved. Right? Unless what I can do... Can I teleport people here? Can I teleport people here without moving myself? Can I teleport people here without moving myself? Well, actually I can do a trick. I can swap them. So I can teleport Reload to Arnquist. No, fuck. I cannot, because now I cannot teleport him there. No, I need to know that position. I need to know that position, and I will teleport them with coordinates. I will not move my camera a single bit. Yeah, this is what we should do. This is what we should do, boys. We have a solution. We have a solution. It's possible. This thing is possible. It's possible, boys. It's possible. Let's put this thing in the middle if we can. Can I go backward a bit? Thank you. So there is the most, you know. It's not centered though, fuck. I will never be able to center it because it's a matter of millimeters. Well, it's not perfectly centered, but it's okay. So this position is minus 900 whatever. Let's put it in a shortcut, okay? So no. Let's put it in a shortcut. No, it's a mess. Let's put it in a text file, which is easier, and then I copy paste from the text file. So so basically it's teleport, and then the name of the guy, right? And then I think I can do teleport name of the guy, map, Laplace, and then minus 975 minus 795 83873. Because if I move my camera, it will become bad. But if I don't move the camera, I think it would be good. 414 101. So for example, reload, right? So if I do this, I think we can have the list. So if I do this, yeah, the problem is that I'm not specifying the rotation, but it seems that the rotation is kind of correct. I mean, it's not perfect, but I think it's okay. I think the rotation is okay. If you click on the NPC, would the client already know the position? Yeah, but we will not have anyone here when I remove him. You know, the problem is that I will remove this guy. Can I specify the rotation as well or not? I don't think so. So I think the rotation will be this one no matter what. No, probably it will keep his own rotation. Can I modify the rotation of this guy? Modify. I think we have a modify rotation, no? Modify XYZ. Modify move. Wait, modify move. Modify move. Well, modify target. Modify, let me try this. Let me see if it rotates. Target is an NPC, and so what? What did he say? Target is... You must have a target selected. Okay. Target is NPC, but 7 does allow this command on an NPC. No! We cannot rotate him. Fuck. We cannot rotate him. Okay. But we can teleport this guy. We can teleport all the guys that we want with the right rotation. Because the problem is only the rotation. So if I teleport him to me... Look at this trick, huh? Look at this trick. Teleport target. No, target doesn't work. Teleport reload me. So now he has a specific rotation. What? What happened? What? Okay. Now he has a specific rotation. Now if I teleport him back in the previous, it will keep that rotation. Okay, so the trick... the trick... Good night, you have to go. Bye-bye. See you, man. So the trick is to teleport them to me in a specific rotation, and then teleport them there. So basically we need to know all the characters we want to have, right? Okay, let's do a selection of characters here. Let's do a selection of characters. For example, do we want to have Lavrus or not? Teleport Lavrus me. Fuck, the problem of Lavrus is the air through the thing. Fuck. We are not removing the air when we keep a robe. Shit. That's very bad. That's very bad. You can have a dwarf. Even if this dwarf is not really equipped in any way. Yeah, there is a better dwarf. There is a better dwarf. There is a bug in the hair, and you see that the hair is going through the robe. It's because we didn't remove the hair when we are keeping the robe, which is a mistake. Fuck, so I cannot really use him. That's annoying. Can you give me some name? Is there any plane shift player here connected? Can you give me some name of some NPC that you think that they have a good good looking equipment? Because I need a number of them. I think Trasok is good. I think Trasok and Reload are good. Let me make a list. Trasok, Reload. What is the name of the lady? The name of the Yankee? Master of the Way. The one that is black with the... I don't remember. We need some... I can go... Wait, I have a way to cheat and look at all the names. I have a way to cheat and check all the names. We can also have Jefekra, maybe. I think Jefekra can be okay. I mean, he's not the best, but... Fuck. I did the opposite of what I wanted to do. Where are you going? No! You have your cycle. His patrol cycle. He's trying to go through the city because because he has a cycle. He has a daily cycle, and so he's moving. Fuck. And he's trying to reach it from here. Good luck, man. Good luck if you want to reach that, bro. I need you. I know you want to go to work, but this way it will not help you. Okay, Jefekra is out. We cannot do it. Jefekra decided that it's better to go work than stay here and doing this thing. I mean, I can obviously use players. So if you are a player, I can put you there, you know? If you want to be in this trailer, you can join now. I don't know if any of you is online. No, it's only me. If any of you joins, I can put you on the screen and record you, right? And you can also do something like wave if you want. Which is better than an NPC at the end, I think. I want some... I don't remember the name. Let me see. Benacha? I think it's Benacha. Benacha. I think it's... Wait. Teleport Benacha me. Fuck. No. Benacha is the one of Crystal, I guess. I wanted the one of Darkway and... what is the other name? Was another Enki female. Was another Enki female. This one is good anyway. She also has a flower in her hands. Chilie? I'm pretty sure it was in Akayo. Chilie. No, not her. We are teleporting the wall city here. Evelyn. Evelyn? Evelyn. I think it was Evelyn. Evelyn? Fuck, no. Ah, but Evelyn is pretty good. Ah, yes, I think it's her with the robe. I think Evelyn is good. Hello. Okay. Okay, so let me summarize, because I'm doing a bit of a mess. Let's pick the one with the flower. Wait, what is going on? Selila. So I'm trying to make a list, Selila. I think I will close animes because anyway it's just taking resources and I cannot use my avatar because it's fucked up. So so we use Trazok, Relor, Selila. I think this one is also good. Evelyn. Evelyn, okay. Then we need to take, maybe I can do the opposite. I can teleport me to them just to see them, and if they are good, I will teleport them here, okay? Teleport me, Ferrid. We will have to load a few maps, but here, this one would be good. The problem is that we have a problem with the air going through again. Fuck, that's very annoying. Stonehammer, and Kirukai mail. Let's try some mail and Kirukai, yes. Teleport me, Uranus. Uranus? No, Uranus is a Diaboli. This is not really the best character that we have in the game, and why? Wait. Why the shoulder is not updated? Why the shoulder is not updated? This is not the updated character, eh? Hello, PreTV. Thank you for the follow. This is not the updated character. You think it's because it's a Diaboli and it's not an Innon? Yeah, that's probably true. Let me search an Innon somewhere, but I need to change it on the database then, eh? I need to change it. Like if I go Gregory... Wait a second, let me teleport me... Let me teleport me Gregory, because now I'm scared that something didn't go through. Fuck, where are you, Gregory? I don't understand if the shoulder is the new one or not. Which race is this guy? This guy should be an Innon. I mean, I can look at him. Innon male. Innon male. But the shoulder is not the new shoulder, boys. How is it possible? No, we have a problem with these guys, huh? We have a problem with these guys. Wait a second, because we have a problem. It's not the new model. I think because they are all pointing to Innon and not to Diaboli. Yeah, I think so. But the Diaboli should point to Diaboli, no? Do we have any Diaboli? No, we don't. I think we have to do a trick. Okay, let's do a trick. Another trick. Today is the day of the tricks. Could you teleport knights? Yes, I can teleport anyone. We have Relor, which is a bit of a knight. I mean, knight. You mean with a horse, or just a knight being with, you know, shield and armor and stuff. Let me do something. Let me so let me check one thing. Select, no, desk race info, right? So in race info we have the string mesh, right? So select ID, name, string mesh, and sex from race info, right? So I think that no one is pointing at the diaboli at the moment. I think that no one is pointing. Yeah, exactly. No one is pointing at the new model. That's why. Okay. Okay, which is kind of fine. I mean, it's fine. We can change it. In particular, we have. Yeah, but this should go into our update script. Absolutely. So when we change diaboli traits, diaboli traits, set the inun mesh to diaboli character. What do you mean? Set the inun mesh to diaboli character and then is inun. Bro, it's the opposite of this. This is the mistake, eh? This thing is a mess. Why I did it this way is wrong. Is 100% wrong. Okay, so ID number 8 should be diaboli M. ID number 20 should be diaboli F. And then we need to decide if we want the inun to be diaboli as well or not. But I would say yes. So this one becomes, wait, 14 becomes diaboli F, and 15 should be, this is all fucked up, boys. Should be Ilian F. Because we added the model after this was done. Number 22 is Cleros F. And no, Cleros F, we have the Cleros F. Maybe I did it after. This is point number 25. Let me see if I did it after, because maybe I did. Cleros F 25. Ah, yes, is here. 35. Yeah, there is a bit of a mix. There's a bit of a mix. So so 22 and 15 actually is double. Let's remove it, otherwise we just make a mess. Here we just set the diaboli, and then the Dermorians. The Dermorians I'm setting them again here, exactly the same. Why I'm doing all these things twice? Why? I'm not. What was it? 36? No, here I'm doing Lemur, Cleros, and Ilian. Lemur, Cleros, and Ilian. Here I'm doing Diaboli and Dermorian. Okay, no, it's fine. Why we are setting this to 10 and 21? 10, what is it? No, but this is shit. Wait. 10 and 21. Exactly, 10 and 21. You see that they are here, 10 and 21. Clearosef is here. I should put them in the same list, boys. It's so confusing that they are a bit here and bit there. Let me move this. Proper scale for all races. And then above we say, okay, we say new meshes, set the new mesh, diaboli, and set the new models. And set new models. Okay, so in short, I can just execute this, okay? I can just execute this. I just did it. And then I need to just stop the server. So if any one of you is connected, GG. And then I will start it again. Okay, now it's... Yeah, but I think if we have a nice selection of characters, I think will be a good display, right? So with different, so the people can see a bit of the different different clothes and different customizations that the character can have. Now, our character creation is not really that good, but anyway, we have you know, 9 races and 8 different genders. I mean, male and female for 8 of the races, plus 1 neutral, which is the clan. So we have 17. So we have 17 different character models, right? Plus we have all the textures for each of them, for chainmail, leather, plate. Plus we have the plate mesh, and then we have all the items. So actually, you can really have 2 characters look very different, even if the base is kind of the same. So we need to wait. We need to wait that the server is going up. We need to wait that. But I think this is a good enough solution anyway, yeah? It's a good enough solution. We could have it with that, or we could have it with this, but with this one is not sitting on the ground. I think this location is nice anyway. Yeah, it would be a bit better if it was like this, from this perspective, but this will mean to have the character like flying, and at the moment I cannot have him flying, unfortunately. So, okay, so I think that the storyboard is the universe view, where we can say something about the shifting between the planes and the fact that people are coming from different planets. And then we can have the characters, overview or slideshow, right? The character slideshow, where we take NPC and players, if any of you can connect. Then after this, I think it would be nice to have, you know, some view of the land. I would like to have some view of the land. The problem will be how to move the camera, because in that one I cannot move the camera. But in the other one I have all the debug on. Which is kind of annoying. So a view of the land, I think we can show, I mean, we definitely need to show an overview of the main city, okay? So an overview of Idla from the top, or anyway from any direction. I think it would be very nice to show Amnedair. I think it would be very nice to show... I don't know if the bronze doors really make sense, because the model is very old. Maybe some parts of the under Hydlal, the dungeon. Maybe some of the Langs dungeon will be nice. A bit of the Death Realm, I think, will also be cool, even if it's a very old model. But I think that would be nice. Can you spectate NPC? No, because we cannot. No, the easiest will be to have a camera setting. No, I can. I mean, I can. Sorry, I can. But anyway, view of the land, and then I think it will be nice to have some combat. But for some combat, I need you people. I need you in the game. So combat, I think we should show spells. Spells have nice particle effects, you know, and I think it would be nice to show, you know, people casting some spells and maybe fighting some monsters, right? Then of the UI, in terms of quest and other stuff, I don't know if I want to show anything because I don't think it's very good. And I think it's enough, you know? I think it's enough. I mean, if we do this, it's enough. Anyway, it should last like 1 minute or 2 minutes, 1 minute. So even less. 1 minute. I think 1 minute is okay. And then I can have some screenshots. We just need to search the right people, the right characters that we want to show, right? Let me go to Gregory one sec. Where is Gregory? Gregory, you are moving around, huh? Gregory. Fuck, it's still the old model though. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, fuck. I think I know the mistake. Do I know the mistake? Do you think it's not linked into the blueprint, the new model? No, it is. This shoulder is I mean, it's still a bit blocky, but it's definitely better than the other one. Why this guy still using the... Why this guy still using... You can also see it from the shoes, because you see that the shoes are very, very square here. While in our new model, the shoes are slightly... I mean, not way more, but they are slightly more round. And also I did some fixes on the legs and a few other places. But why is not loading properly? It is very strange. Why is not loading properly? Why is not loading properly, boys? Is loading the other model. But I thought that what I did was okay. I thought that what I did, it was okay. Innon Diaboli F. Ah, number 2. We didn't change number 2. Also number 2 needs to be changed. Fuck. Also number 2 needs to be changed. And he's exactly him. He's exactly him. Fuck. I mean, it's not that I need him, right? I mean, I can also because he has no equipment. So I think we can probably get another one, another male, another. But I don't know if I. Well, no, let me do it, which is anyway something I need to do. Okay, we need to do this as well. So we need to do this update, right? We need to do this update. And so unfortunately, I need to restart the server again, but it's okay. The good part is that all of this is just database and server side, so 30-second version for TV advertising. Yeah, no, it's for Epic Games. They asked us to... Epic is going to put on their website some of the projects that they gave a mega grant. And we are mega grant recipients, right? And so they wanted to have some content from us to advertise, which is super nice because I don't know where they will place it. If they will place it like in an infinite list of like hundreds of projects or not. But if they place it even in a list of 20, I think there will already be, you know, thousands and thousands and thousands of people that will see it. The problem is that, you know, we don't have a marketing department that can take care of this, you know. It's me that I have to do it in my spare time, so it's not very easy, but we will do it, boys. We will do it anyway. We will do it anyway. The server is starting. I'm just waiting the load to finish. Is loading all this million stuff, and all the quest is loading the quest at the moment. But yes, then we can use the, you know, the same trailer. We can use it for other stuff, right? I never dedicated time to that because I think my time is better spent, you know, on developing the game and moving on with you know, with the stuff that we need. But at the same time, the problem is that this is taking so long. It's 11:30 already. So long. And we only recorded 3 seconds. Epic also said you can make a 30 minutes development video compressed to 5 minutes and they will show it before the Unreal Engine streams. We should make it this weekend, bro. I mean, this weekend, I mean, before this weekend, or because the deadline that they gave me is like this Friday. So tomorrow evening. The problem is that tomorrow I'm working the whole day, so I am available only in the evening again, so. So it's a problem, boys. It's a problem. It's a problem. But maybe we can do it. They said there will be other opportunities anyway, right? They said, oh, don't worry, there will be other opportunities. You know, but other opportunities are always other opportunities and not these opportunities. So I wanted to have something, even if it's not perfect. I wanted to have, you know, something. Because I think they are going to display it on the one of next week. So technically, you know, would be probably possible to send it to them also on Monday. But they asked by Friday. I mean, I can still try to send them something late, right? And say, hey, this is what I did, if you can still squeeze it in. Okay, now it's definitely a new model because it's so dark that I cannot even see him, but good job. You're very dark, my man. We can teleport him outside where maybe it's less dark. Ah, because it's night at the moment. And so the indirect light is basically 0. Okay, so now is the new model. I mean, it's not 10 times better, but at least it's slightly more smooth, okay? It's slightly more smooth. I don't know if you want to have this guy. I mean, it looks a bit menacing, but I think we can. I mean, I think we can still have him as well. I don't know how we will look in that position. I mean, I don't know how we look in our where was it? In our teleport position. No, I wanted to teleport me there. I wanted to teleport me. I teleported reload. Hello, man. How are you? Everything going good? This guy will be like, why I'm here? Why I'm in this weird place? Why I'm not in my city? What is going on? It looks a bit too specular. I think we exaggerated on the... I mean, the idea was to have this skin to be a bit oily, but I think the result is that it is looking white. Probably is not the best. Probably is not the best model we should show. I mean, we can show it anyway, but I don't care. But do we want to have Malco? I think Malco is quite a guy, huh? No. Teleport Malco me the opposite. I think Malco can be a good guy to have. Me destroy everything. I think Malco can be a good guy. Let's put him on the list. At least he's different enough, you know, from all the others. Can you give me other names? Can you give me other names? Can you give me other names? We have Kimlorn, but I think we look very similar to this guy. Fuck, I don't remember exactly the name. Kimlorn? Let me search on... we should also have some... yeah, like our friend Alnaxen. Why not? Why not? Uh-oh. What the fuck happened to your shield, bro? No, why? There is a regression on the shield? Fuck. There is a regression on the shield, boys. Game thing shield, round shield 02C. Round shield 02C. Why the shield is fucked? This is a client. Unfortunately, this is a client thing, so I think that if this doesn't work, we need to exclude him. What happened? Things shield. Thing shield, round shield 02C. Round shield 02. Round shield 02C.mat. Is this one? Why doesn't like it? Round. So things shield round underscore shield underscore 02 C underscore mat is actually correct. But there is a shield here that is fucked up. What is it? No, it's not fucked up. The preview was fucked up. It's still loading? No, because at this point it would have loaded it for sure. Fuck. Okay, I guess we cannot load. That's very strange though. So is a standard round shield that is not working anymore? This is something new of the new version because round shield. So this round shield works, huh? This round shield works, but that one doesn't. I have no idea. I have no idea. Pity because this guy was interesting enough because he had the chainmail on and... Fuck. Okay, let me search someone else. Let me search someone else. We can have this guy. Why not? Let's take this guy. Borots. let me take... no, this guy is too basic. This guy is too basic. Do you have other people in... do you have other people that you think can be good? I wanted to have a Cleros with some armor, but I cannot find it because I think they are... all these one are merchants. Maybe you can have her anyway. Doesn't have any items in hand though, which is a pity. But why not? Kzavu. How many you think we should place? How many you think we should have? How many you think we should have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think about 10. If I do like half a second for each, is like 5 seconds. I think is good. Or 1 second for each, like boom, 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 with this speed, right? Boom, boom. Show the path. Maybe we can do it in an area where we have Jardet has anything in his hands or not? As a kind of a spear. Why do the Morians are always so bare? I mean, without any good stuff. Nora. Nora. Nora? Where the fuck is Nora? Nora is not here. Nora fails. Why Nora fails? Alien female. No idea. Which other alien females we have in the game? Alayla, Alelia, fuck these names. Why also Alelia I cannot teleport to her? That's strange. Yeah, this guy I could use him, but is not collaborating. Like if I teleport him in another place, I mean it depends if it's his patrolling time or not, but if it's his patrolling time, in theory we could. Why I cannot go up there, Alina? Alina has no items? Fuck. I need a Dermorian female with some items. But I think we are finishing our time, so unfortunately I think we are gonna use these ones. I can see the source for dog for compiled Planeshift Legacy. Yes, they are there. Just go on our website and on the left there is a source code. And you will find it there. Give me other names, boys. Give me other names. Sheerkral. Sheerkral. He has a crossbow in his hand. He has a crossbow and he has a different so I think that or is this Kudzavu or is this whatever Chikral, how is the name? This guy Chikral. I think Chikral is probably better than Kuzavu. Ah no, Kuzavu was the girl. No, the girl we need. I think it was Borots then. I think it was probably Borots. I think I can substitute. Even if this one is a staff, it's kind of nice. I think we can use them both, maybe in different in a different sequence, you know. I need an alien female, boys. I need an alien female. Teleport me. Okay, this one can be good. It's the basic. It doesn't have any items, but I think it's fine. So we will use Iuna. We'll use Iuna, and then what are we missing in terms of races? A lemur, eh? A lemur male? Or a lemur female? Lemur female is very weird, but I think we can. I think a lemur female, if he had some items, would be nice, but she doesn't. Lian, okay. So we have enough Enki, we have enough aliens. We have the Kleros, we have one Kran. We only have one Kran, eh? Enki female we have. Do we want to have a Dergir? I think we can. I mean, in theory we could also have monsters, but I think monsters is better if they are shown in the game. Ah, the Inun female we are missing. The female Kiran, what is the name? I don't remember all the names, boys. What is the name of the lady? Inun female. I'm searching on the other screen meanwhile. Amidison as well. Amidison has some armor. Amidison could be a good one. Yeah, she has armor. I don't know why there is this shader that is making her look so freaking white. Yeah, we have to tweak down the specular on this character because it's really too white. Holy shit, she moved. But I think it's okay. Even if it's not the best, because yeah, the specular is wrong. Okay, I think it's enough. Boys, I think it's enough people. Okay, let's try to record that stuff. So I will teleport myself there. I will teleport myself there. I think we have enough samples. I think we have enough samples. And then we will... I think Gregory we can have him anyway. I mean, it's not bad. We just need to mix these people a bit so that they don't... I mean, the similar one don't go together. But I think... but I can do it then in the video, right? I can do it in the video. So let me be parallel to the thingy. And let me teleport people. Let me teleport people to me. Okay. So we'll do teleport Trazok me. Then I will do teleport reload me. It was this guy. Teleport. Well, actually, yeah, because this is just ensuring that they have the right rotation. Okay. It is just actually I can teleport them all on top of each other. It doesn't make any difference. I can teleport them all in the same position. It's okay. Anyway, they don't collide, so teleport Evelyn, teleport Malco. This is a good test, by the way, yeah, because we are teleporting like 20 NPC in the same spot. For now seems to work, but I don't know. I don't know what will happen. Jeffekra is the one that moves. At the moment it's not moving. Maybe we should do Jeffekra first, because he's not moving at the moment. It's not his cycle of the day, because all these NPC are scripted. Well, some of these NPC are scripted, and they will try to do stuff, you know, during the day. So if that daytime comes, they will start to move. Okay, so now they are all oriented the same way. Okay, they are all oriented the same way. So what we need to do, we need to go here, find the position of the camera that we like, teleport the first guy, okay, teleport the first guy, find a position of the camera which we think is good, and we said we wanted to have it bigger, so we will go, but a different character will have different sides, so we have to be careful. We need a, let me check the Cran, let me check Malco and this guy, because they will have, Malco will be much bigger than this guy. Yeah, exactly. So I think we can go with a camera like, I don't know, like this, and then I'm not gonna change it. I'm not gonna change it anymore. The problem is that as soon as I touch my mouse, but anyway, I'm not gonna touch it anymore. And so we are gonna do this, hide menu, hide this, wait, fuck, for each one I need to show the chat and then move them, fuck. And when I alt tab, I don't have to alt tab. If I alt tab is a problem, so I will have to shift to whatever to do this, and then alt tab. Otherwise, yes. Okay, 1 second. Teleport Malco to whatever. Okay. So I need to hide the chat. Hide the chat. Hide the chat. Hide the menu bar. Hide this. Right? Then without pressing Alt. This is a bit of a mess, boys. Without pressing Alt, I go here and record. Done. Now, still without pressing Alt, I go in the game again. I show the shortcuts. I show the shortcuts. I show the menu bar. I show the chat again. I teleport this guy in a different place. Teleport Trasok to whatever. To Malco. Then we teleport without pressing Alt. This is a bit of a mess, boys. So we did Trasok, We did Trasok. So let's do reload. So I will do teleport reload in that place. Then I will hide the chat, hide the menu bar, press this key, go outside, switch to this and record. Oh fuck, wait. Okay, done. I need to redo this 10 times. Oh my god. No! The camera moved a bit. Okay, fuck it. If it moved a bit, it's okay. So now we teleport this guy. Teleport, reload. We teleport him to Malco. Then we teleport Selila or Selila. Then we teleport Selila here. And we hide the menu. No, we hide the chat. We hide the menu bar. We hide this. And we record. Okay. And so on, boys. And so on. Now you got the idea, eh? Okay, so we did Celila. Now we do Gregory. Now we do Gregory. I hope the recording is okay, but I think it is. Now we do Gregory. So we hide the chat, we hide the menu bar, we click here, we hide this, and we record. Okay. Then we go here, we show this, we show the menu bar, we show the chat, we teleport Gregory to Malco. Okay. Then Evelyn. Evelyn goes there. Hello, Evelyn. You look beautiful today. Yeah, this character has some items and has a robe, so he's really looking different. So it's very nice. It's really, really nice. And we record. Okay, I really hope these recordings are actually happening, but I think they are. I think they are. Okay. So we show the menu, show the chat, teleport Evelyn somewhere else. And then we multiple character the same as Evelyn. What the fuck? What do you mean multiple characters with the same name, Evelyn? Are you joking? That's impossible. Okay, we did Evelyn. So we do Malco. I think this part will be nice anyway with all the characters. I think it would be cool. We hide this. We hide this. We hide this, and we record. Okay. I will not have them more than 1 second anyway. Let me just check if some of the videos are coming through, because if they don't, is a problem. But I think they are. Eh? I think they are. Yes, all these ones. I think they are. If we can play them. Yes, they are. The background is a bit blurred compared to, but I think it's fine. It's fine. Anyway, we'll not play at that resolution. So I think we are already above, you know, the resolution that it will be played. So it's okay. Show menu bar, show chat. So we remove Malco. Teleport Malco. Evelyn. I see that when you do show chat and hide chat is clearing out the history, which is strange, but it is what it does. Okay, fine. So we did Malkol. Now we do Borots. Borots. Hello, Borots. So we do this, we hide this, we press this, and we record. I'm doing 4 seconds at the moment, but actually I think it would be less than that. I think it would be 1 second each. They will shift very quickly. Maybe also with a sound, like a poof sound, I don't know, whenever they are appearing. That would be nice. Teleport, Borots, Malko. Okay. Now, who's next? Kzavu. Agazur, which is the lady, yeah? Is the lady Kleros. Yes. Don't judge, huh? Is a lady, you don't like her just because it's another race. And go. Okay. Then what? Then I need to remove her from the screen. So I need to do this. Teleport Kzavu. Okay. Then who's next? Jefekra. Jefekra, let's see if he's moving or not. Maybe he's moving. Maybe he's moving. He's one of the guys that is moving a lot, so he's basically patrolling the area the whole time. Ah, this time he's not. This time he's not moving. Okay. Done. So you can go back to your duty, Jefekra. It's not a problem. Now you are free to go. Okay. Who's next? Alina. Alina. Hello, Alina. Okay. So teleport Alina Malko, and she's gone. Now we only have 4 left, and this part will be done, and then I need to edit it. That's the problem, but I think I can do that. Hide menu bar. No. Show menu bar. Hide chat. Hide menu bar. Okay. Then teleport Chirkral away. Okay. Then we have Yuna. It's a pity that she doesn't have any items or anything, but okay. I think one task that we have is really to customize a bit more these characters. Okay. Two left. Two left. Only two left. And then I think I will have to go, unfortunately. But we did a piece. At least we did a piece. I think we find the solution, you know, and we apply the solution. And we... So, I think it's not bad. Do you have a text for your voiceover? No, I don't have it. I don't have it. I think I can speak on it myself, but if you want... Did you send me a sample? I didn't receive any sample from you. Show menu bar. Teleport Lian. Malcolm. Then next, who's next? The last one, Amidison. Okay. Wow, she looks like a warrior. With the staff. With the bouncing boobs. Look at that. Physics effect. High quality game. High quality game. Okay, but we really need to remove the specular there. Is super high and it's super annoying. It's making everything white. Okay, this was the last one. This was the last one. So we have all our pieces that I can now mix. So I will have the which are all these pieces here, which is very nice. And I will record the universe view. I can go full screen for that in the character creation and just get that first piece, then having all the characters. But then I need some of you in game, boys, to do the fight and the spells and the other stuff. I mean, I can do some of the view of the land. The view. Let me think 1 second. How do we do the view of the land? The view of the land. Like the view of the city. Like the view of the city. Because I cannot move the camera, that's the problem. I cannot move the camera. Maybe I should do it in my game. I mean in the debug thingy. Or maybe we can just stay on top of something and just look around. Yeah, maybe. Maybe we could have a character, you know, we could have a character in front, which hopefully is not always the same one. And we could have just a pan like this. Or not. I don't know. I'm thinking. Do you have any suggestions? Slide me up 50. Because I could have a quick, you know, I can have a character here, and I can have like a quick pan through the city, which can be like this, or even if when you move, you know, the graphics go a bit crazy. Because it's not a rendering, obviously. So if you're moving quick, and also if you're moving slow, you know, you see a bit of this effect of stuff moving. Unless it's very slow. I mean, I can do it very slow, but I think it will capture my mouse. That's the problem. Oops. Maybe I can do it like this. I don't know. I have to think about it. I saved the. I have Audacity. Yes, I have a sample I can send you. I suffer from perfectionism. No, but don't worry. Send it to me. Send it to me. Don't worry. Yeah, it's okay. Even if a normal microphone, I'm just trying to understand the voice. You know, how is your voice? If I like your voice or not. I mean, it's not if I like your voice, but if I feel that that voice is good for our narrator, right? So that's the main point. The quality is not a problem at the moment because it's okay, but it's just to evaluate if your voice is something that I feel is fine. Yeah, but I can so I'm just thinking if I should do it, you know, because actually I can do this. I can disable gravity since I added it. I can set gravity off, set me gravity off, and I can slide me up whatever 100, and I can, you know, and the problem is that this is not a good angle. No, it is really not a good angle. So I should find a different angle. Should be much lower than this. I think here we are too high really. Slide me down 50. Yes, I think an angle like this is probably better. Yeah, I can have like a pan through the city. Why is bleeding so much? You see that is kind of bleeding, but it's like the VSync, which is actually not VSyncing at all. Let me try to hide the menu bar. Do you think if I walk? But the problem is that I hear the sound of the walking. But yes, the idea would be to do something like this. Let me try to record this. Let me try to record this. I think that guy also is the shield fucked up, by the way. Yeah, we'll cut it off anyway. I will cut it off, but I think it's good enough. I just don't know if that bleeding, you know, is really something that we will see in the video as well. But unfortunately, I think yes. I think that bleeding will be there. Actually, it's not too much. The point is that I see my mouse. Can I avoid capturing the mouse somehow? That mouse is so bad. And also the movement is a bit bad because it's not smooth. That's the problem. The movement is not smooth enough. I mean, to avoid the mouse, I can do it like this, but the movement is really not smooth at all. Let me try again. I think this will do. I mean, I cannot do better than this at the moment because I don't have a flying camera control. I mean, I could actually script a camera that is actually doing what we want, but at the moment I don't have it. At the moment I really don't have it. Why I did it is basically night. Fuck me. But anyway, this is what we're gonna do, okay? And yes, it's 6 in the evening. Fuck. So I need to redo it. Okay, guys, I need to go, but I will do this. I will do 1 or 2 pan like this through the city, At least this city and Amnedale, which I think are the two nicest that we have. And then I will need some of you in game for a fight, boys. Okay, so I don't know who of you can connect, but I will try to ping you. At the moment, it's 0 players on. Very bad. Meaning that you didn't download and connect yet. But please do it, because I need it. And I think I'm gonna go. I don't know why that shield was broken. Let me see the shield of this guy. The shield of this guy is okay. Yeah, we have gravity off, and so my legs are doing that. Set me gravity off. By the way, yesterday when I raided Eloise, she was hosting someone else. So actually we didn't raid her, we raided someone else. Okay, boys, I think I'm gonna go. We need to do this, but the release is out, so Linux and Windows are up. And I will leave the server on so you can connect and do your test if you want to. And yeah, I think you should. I think you should. And I think I'm gonna go directly, because I'm a bit late. Tomorrow I have to wake up very, very early, and I still need to do some stuff before going to bed. So play file. But yeah, the good news is that the release is out. I will post screenshots and some other stuff, you know, in news on Patreon and everything, but it takes me some time. If you want to click on follow on Twitch, will be nice. Also, if you want to click on subscribe on YouTube, will be nice. And if you want to join our Patreon, is patreon.com/planeshift, where you can have access to the alpha, get some videos, a Discord tag, and anyway, feel better with yourself because you are supporting an indie game. Yeah, if you can send me the file, thank you. I mean, don't worry about too much. Don't worry too much about the quality. See you, boys. I hope I can also fix the animes thingy, but they say that that's the lowest of my priorities. Good night. Good night.